understand here. If you see here, generally you will click my account and login. So login page you will go. And here you have to write one test case here. Forget password, one test case. And yeah, so these are all the different test cases we have to write, right? So you have to write a different test cases. So all these are different test cases. Okay. So positive, negative test case also you have to write. This is the negative test case. I think we didn't take this so invalid if you don't enter any values. Then you're getting this message, right? We didn't take this message, right?
Yes, sir. We didn't take. In register phase, we have taken.
Okay, this one also we need to take it. So this one also we have to take it. Let's go and take this. So this login page. So this message also we have to validate. That's mandatory, right? Without so where this validations is not a perfect test case. Make sure you validate these things also, and forget password also you have to go and check that. And also login test, we have written a do login, right? In the
Yeah, we write a method for that. Yes.
So we have written. Okay. So let's take this error message. So you're getting alert, anger. So otherwise I'll take help from this one, what it is giving. Let's see that. Copy. Okay. Control F. So it is coming from here. But I can shortcut that to login. So body class, then div nav header div. So div, again another div. So this one. And let's see what this guy has given. We'll see that. Examination circle. Okay. So dot examination circle. You can take this also, relative XPath. So let's go and take the relative XPath. Where is our login page? The rate find by XPath. So XPath value. Private. So web element. Private web element. Okay, give the web element name. What is that? Login error message. So login. What is this? no match error message. No match error message. Okay. That you do assertions maybe. You want to get this message and store in the. I'll store. Or there are spaces. Spaces are there. Okay, so you can do one thing. Maybe I'll get this. I'll store in the constants. It's going to store in the constants. Static, final, list. It's not a list, right? String. So login. No match. Error message. So no match, error message. That's it. And you can get it and you can validate it. That will do. So let's go and create the first this test case. Maybe I'll use this and copy and paste it. Why I'm doing a copy paste is basically it will help quickly adjust the methods. That's it. Login page test. Just click on the login page test. You can change everything as it is there. Okay, before method what we are doing and before class what we are doing. So all this you can just use that. So maybe I can start with the before class. Or I'll put on top of this so that it will be in the order. So what are all things we need in this?
My account page.
So my account page we want, right? Because you need to, so you will log in. You will log in. And also you will go to registration page also, right? You are going to click on the continue button in the registration section. So you need that also. Already
And then-
registration is there.
Yeah.
Okay, registration is there, login is there. And
we need home page also because we'll return back.
yeah, home page also we need. Then my account page we want. My
Account.
account page. That's we have given there. And check this. This variable is same in the test based class or not in this class. So then new my account, just press it and automatically you will get it. That's it. You don't need to write also. Okay. Next, we need forget password also, right? Need forget password also.
Yes, yeah.
Yes, sir.
So what we have given in the thing forgot. So just check that variable what we have. So he automatically will get all these things. So you don't need to write, okay? So simple. Forget password page. Then we also need, so once you log in, you need to log out, right? So logout page also will go. So that
So,
also I need.
Are we
I-
returning back to the home page or are we logging out? It depends.
So no, once you log in, it will go to logout first, then it will go to
Home page.
home page. The behavior, just understand the behavior. That's enough. Okay, all the required objects I have created here. So now what you need to do here is, now you need to navigate to login page. Just navigate to login page. How can you navigate? In the home page you have already. Home page dot go to login page. So it is going to throw some throws declaration, declare it. So declare that.
So should we select always that interrupted exception or is it fine?
You can select a parent one also.
Okay.
One parent one also you can select. You can select the parent one also. So now in the before method, you can just you can wait for what? So you need to wait for the login page, right? Login page. You just change object reference. So in the before class, you're navigating. So then it will reach to login page. So wait there. The before method will run for every test case before. That's why. Then after method will run. So after method is necessary or not, we have to see that. So whether it is required, we'll keep it, otherwise we'll remove this. Okay, let's keep that. So let's build first test cases. So what is our first test case? So once you went to login page, first what is your test step? Verifying the
Title.
title. So login page title. So verify the login page title. If you want, you can give TC.
Second test case is verifying the title.
Title.
Second login page title test or login page. Maybe I can change this to. Okay, here it is there. This one I can use then different one. Right? I can use for a different one. This one verifying the maybe page URL, right? Verifying the page URL, login page URL. Verifying login page URL. Login page
URL test.
URL test. How can you do? So you have to do assertion. Assert dot assert to
True. Login page dot.
so take the login page. So we already got some functions, right? Login page dot get.
Current.
So we have written get login
page
page URL.
Status.
Login
Okay.
page URL. First we are
Okay,
doing
okay, sir.
so login page URL. You can do that, and which contain, maybe you can get that which contains our. So we have given in the constants
Constant.
fraction that login page fraction URL, right? That's it. So GC contains method is how useful. Just now we discussed in the string handling, and you're using, because this returns a string object. On that object we are calling contains method. Okay. Next, verifying the so login page
Title.
title. So verify login page title test. Login page title. So here you have to give so login page dot get title, and contains I think this one we have login
Login
page
page
title.
title.
So that's the another one. So next, so 2 test cases are done. So next what you can do, maybe one by one verifications you can do, right? These verifications, this is there or not, this is there or not, navigating to registration page, this is there or not, navigating to forget password page and do login. These are all test cases you can do one by one. Next, right? So the Boolean, the conditions, we have all Boolean. So new customer header is present or not, you check that. So write that. This one, no, verify. So new customer header. Again, please. Verify. So new customer header. So verify new customer header
Text.
test. The login page. So we don't need all of them, right? Only assertion we need. Remaining things we don't need. Asset dot asset true, right? We need to use asset true. So login page dot so what is that? New is new customer header exist. That's it. So next one is this text, right? This registration text. So same test case can just so write. So 04 verify register account text. So register account text. Text in login page. That's it. So next 5.
We have to change that method names.
Yeah, right.
Both the same.
Is register account, right? Is a register account. Just verify, not easily not recorded. Verify register account
It's
text. That's it. Next, 5th one. So what is the 5th one next?
continue button.
So you click on continue button, right? So navigate
Go new
to
customer continue button.
this one. So click on continue button. Or navigate to registration page, we can put, right? Navigate to registration from login page. Navigate to registration page. So So you have to click on, right? Click on the continue button, not home page. Let's say
Login page.
login. But done.
Go new customer
New
continue
customer,
button.
New
continue
customer
button.
continue button.
Customer continue button. That's it. So you have to wait for the that one.
Register page.
This will return the registration page. So I said the
Registration page dot wait for page load.
registration page title. So asset dot asset equals we can use, right? Asset equals we can use reg page here only, right? Here only, okay. Dot
The
title,
previous,
get it.
previous line also we have to change. 83.
83 lines.
Registration
Okay.
page.
Yeah. This one also we need to change. So page title we can verify. That's it, right?
Constants dot registration page title.
So get title. We have get title method constants.
We have to change.
Registration page title. Second one.
Yeah. So click on home icon in registration page. Maybe you can click on registration home icon. We have already. Yeah, we have that also another way. You can come back. Oh, we don't want to home page, right? We have to come back to the
We have to click on login page link.
browser back button will do. Okay. So reg dot navigate browser back. I just need to come back. That's it, right?
Okay.
So I need to come back.
Mhm.
So the same login page, I have to come back to continue my further test cases. Otherwise, I cannot do that, right?
Mhm.
So next to do the same thing with the navigate to forget password page. Forget password page. To forget password page. So you need to use the login page. Login, click on
Forget password link.
click. What is the method we have written there? Navigate to we have written. Click. Navigate, I think.
Go to maybe.
Go to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, these methods we need to remember. That's a difficult thing. So you have to use the again forget password object reference. So then you can wait for this space and then you can come back, right? You can come back. If you want to verify, I said the forget password page. So did we take forget password page or no? Not sure, right?
No, I think so.
So forget password in the constants.
Constants.
Yeah, it is there. What is it?
Oh, it is.
20 line.
So you can use this. That's it. Which page you are going, some verification must be there. That verification, if you do, it's going to be easy for you guys. So that you are accepting that, okay, you clicked on that. You are you sure this page is loaded? And this will check that. That verification point is very, very important.
We can use as a true also with the contains.
Set to true, yeah, we can do, right? Contains.
Yeah, we can do either one.
Either one. If you use asset to true, you have to use contains. Basically, true method is going to give this, right? Click on navigate. Back button.
Right.
Forget password page. Okay. So this one, I'm suspecting this forget password, right? Forget password, you have to call this. That object reference. You are using that object reference. Okay, done. So what left now? So this is done. This one, did we do this exist or not?
No, not
No,
yet.
we didn't do.
No.
So let's do that also. Maybe you can take. So 7. Verify
Returning customer.
customer header. Returning
Customer header in login
returning
page.
customer
Header
header.
in login page.
So we will verify returning
Customer header.
So asset dot asset to true is that's it. So let's test case numbers. So we have to keep changing the
We have to change that priority also.
priority. Yeah, we'll change priority one by one. First, we'll write more all the tests, then we'll change it.
Okay, okay, sir.
Now, so what else left now? So do login. Right? Do login only left now.
Yes, sir.
Login test. So we'll do the login test. Let's go and do the login test. Let's take this. Do login test. Log into the Opencart. Yes. So just simply do login test, okay? And now do login test, just calling that method only, right? Do login method. So just call
Email and password.
so you need to pass this username password, right? How
Yes,
to
sir.
read we have already in the config.properties file. How to read from the config.properties file.
So we have to do positive and negative test cases here, right?
Yeah, that also we need to do. We'll do that. Another test case, okay?
Oh.
Maybe we have to build the method. Yeah, the same method you can reuse. Okay.
Okay.
So how So did you remember or no? I'm just asking you guys.
Resource bundles.
Yes.
Dot, get string. Okay. Get string and give the string value. What is the key name? What is the key name? So let's go and see. If you get a doubt, go and see that. No need to worry. So here, so what is the key name? Username. Just give that. So exactly give as it is. So
PWD.
this one. So then what will happen? So once you log in, where it will go?
My account page.
My account page. So my account page, you wait for the page load. So you can wait for some element also. And then constants. I'm not sure did we give or not. My account.
We
Page
don't
type.
paste like.
So after this, we need to log out, right? So this we don't need,
Yes.
right? So we're going to log out. Log out is another test case. You want to do one more negative test case? Let's do the negative test case. Instead of this, what you can do? Happy path. Login test. Empty login test. So this empty credentials. Login. So here you have to give, so leave it blank. Let's see. No, so if you don't give what. This one you have to do before this, okay? Before this login.
Yes.
Okay? Before this, make sure the order is very important. Empty login test. This one. We won't go, right? We won't go here.
Verify the error message.
So just verify the error message. So verify the empty credentials. It's error message. Login page. So asset dot asset equals not asset equals, right? Asset to true, right? So we have to write a method in the login page. Is exist method will write the same way. We'll write it. Is empty credentials error message exist. So what is the element name? Where is that?
73 line.
Okay. So that's it. This one, and let's go and call that. So login page. And even asset, okay, we kept there already, right? Is empty
credential.
error message. But we didn't get that. We need to get it. So not exist. So we need to get it, right? The message, we need to get it.
We didn't.
So
We
string.
got it, sir. Can you check it?
No, you won't get it.
Okay.
You won't get it. It's just an element, right? It's just an element. You won't get it.
Okay.
Dot get text. Login no match errors.
Okay. So add throws declaration. Now what you need to do here, once you get that, sorry, I think I need to change the method name also. What is the method name? Get empty credentials.
Error message text.
So that much big we don't need, okay? Just this method name, you use it here. So then dot contains that's it. So maybe you can add one bracket is missing, add it. Okay, so now we're good. And I'll give, maybe you can set a
Here,
dependency.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
that the constants my
Dot
account
my
page title.
account page title is this. 126 line.
Okay.
Asserting true.
Asserted out, asserted
Oh.
true.
Yeah. This. Login page, no match error message.
One 15 line also, sir. You have to change. Assert my account page title.
Change this, okay? This what is here. Now, so which one you are saying?
115 lines, sir. 115.
Okay, this
Assert my
is
account page
wordings,
title.
wordings.
Yes.
Yeah, right. My account page title, right? Yeah. So let's give the order, okay? Now let's go and give the order. 1, 2, 3, 4,
4. 5.
5,
6.
6, 7.
I think this one is 9 and the
So
last one is 8.
this one will make it
8.
8. This is going to be 9.
9.
Then log
Test
out.
cases.
We have to do log out also one.
Description also.
Description.
Where?
In the description, test case number.
110 lines, sir. 120 line. 110 line first.
Description
110
test
line.
case number.
9.
Oh, it's a 9.
Test
Oh,
case.
that's okay. The order is no test cases. You don't need to change, but only priority.
Okay.
So there is a description. You don't need to change. Okay, that is fine. The last after class I can put. No, I don't need a grade before after method. I'll remove this. I need after class. I need after class. What is after class? I need to log out. Public void log out.
So we can remove the home page object here, right? We are not using.
Where?
Before
Um,
class, she's saying, sir.
We didn't use the home page object here, so we can remove the.
Yeah, you can remove. Unnecessary, we don't want. If you're not
Sir,
using,
sir, sir. In 35 line, we are using, sir. Home page. Go
here
to
we are using. And
Oh,
also,
okay. Okay.
after logout, you will use that also. There also.
Oh, okay.
That's why you're going to use. Okay, so log.info. Can. So for that, we have already my account page dot click logout. So this has a clicking on the menu, then waiting for that, all that that will take care. So then it will go to logout page exactly now.
Page.
So log out.
Continue
Please.
button. we have.
So you have to wait first, okay? Wait for the
Okay. Log out page.
page load. So 2 seconds I'm giving. Then asset new asset logout page is displayed on asset dot asset equals asset equals logout page dot get title. And here constants dot to logout page title. That's it. Oh, once you log out and you came to logout page title. So then what we need to do, and we have, did we log in? Just log in it, okay?
We have to click on continue button.
We have to understand.
Okay.
See, so this is the my account page title, and just do a logout. See, you came to logout.
Log out page.
Maybe if you want to verify these things, verify. I'm just verifying the page title. Then click on continue button.
Continue button.
So did we accept the page title? Okay, we did. Next, what is that? Click on continue button. Okay.
Home page dot. Wait for page load.
Home page dot. Wait for
Wait
page.
for page load.
Then so
Asset.
asset dot asset
Equals
equals
home page dot. Get title. Constants, right? Home page title.
that's it. So that's the whole test case. So let's go and see. This one we need to include in the where
testng.xml.
testng.xml. Okay, let's run this now. The one test case, it takes 1 hour. Hey, log out. Continue button. Clearly visible, right?
It
So
didn't
once
do
you
the error message blank. That one failed.
failed, huh?
Ah,
So let's go and see what is the error. You can go to results. See this class has this many test cases. Can't find resource bundle. Resource bundle. Missing resource exception. Oh, okay. So what we did, we made a small mistake there then. See, line number also. This is how you can find it out, guys. Please read this, okay? Then come down or you look for the class name. This is the one, right? Login page test, empty login test. So 116 line. But this is not there in the resource bundle, right?
bundle.
So
Plain
remove this
meeting.
and give empty. Okay. So we're not getting that from resource bundle.
Okay.
You can just hard code it. So can we see our extent report? I didn't include. So if you want to include you want to get extent reports, what you need to do? Do anybody remember? After suit tag, you have to write
Listeners.
listeners. So listeners tag inside, you have to write listener class name and give the class names. Okay. So we have a listener class names. What are all those? Extent report. This path you have to give. This path. com dot clear dot
Opencart dot listeners.
dot
Listeners dot extend report.
listeners. It's not coming up. So listeners dot extent
Report listener.
dot listener. Same you can do for there is one more, right? A test allure. Because so I didn't use the allure concepts, but still you can use that also. Test allure listener. Test listener. Let's run now, okay? We'll run whole bunch. I want to show you the report. So after that, we'll close it, okay, for the day.
Yeah, we got it now.
Yeah. Still, there is a failure. Expected to, but font false. Which line?
And the error message changed maybe.
So let's go and see that. Okay, we'll see the screenshot. Okay. Now refresh. You can see here logs, reports, screenshots.
Screenshot.
You'll get here. See that? This is the one. First, I'll show you in the report. Okay, let's go to the reports. See, is that S cases you will get very nicely. See a screenshot also. Passed one, passed screenshot also you'll get. So this one. Okay. Why we're getting the same screenshot? We're in the same page. What? Login page URL test. Okay, yeah. Page the same page means it is fetching.
Actually, should we copy this path and do, sir? Actually, when we click itself, it is taking here. Then-
No, it will copy. See here, it is showing clearly. You don't need to.
The screenshots, actually, when we click itself, it is taking here. Like,
Okay. So this one you are saying when you click on
no,
this.
no, in the Eclipse.
Oh, Eclipse. Okay. Eclipse you can. So basically.
The left side, if you double click, it's actually taking.
Automatically.
Yeah.
Yeah, here it will open. You don't need to copy. You can get here also. So you only can get the logs. Oops. What happened? Logs are not there. Something, I think still this configuration is missing something. That's okay. So you can see reports, you can see screenshots, even allure reports also you can see. See that is the all JSON file. Okay. Just JSON file format. We don't want this at all, but you can disable this. Okay. So this is the, I don't like this allure reports at all. I can delete them. I can disable them instead of Control A, delete. I don't want them, so I'll disable them in the. So here. I don't want. Still, or we need to refresh, I think. Okay, and why this is failing? So line number 119, right? 119. What we are checking?
Error message.
The error message exists means we are identifying that exclamatory symbol.
Oh, that's a wrong identification we did, right?
Yes, sir.
So we did a wrong identification. Let's go. I don't want this one. I want this message, basically.
That means div alert is there, sir. Danger.
This one. This one
Yes, sir.
we'll give this one, okay?
So in the constants.
Div dot alert danger.
Yeah, I'll change it now. See, now it's easy, right? If you follow the process. See, I don't need to touch other cases. I can touch only here. That's the advantage. Says how easy to maintain.
Sir, that is CSS, sir.
No, why I can use XPath also, right? Say class only, right?
Okay, okay, sir.
I can use even XPath also. Why you want to use only CSS?
Okay.
So let's run this now.
We can run only fail test cases.
Yeah, we can run it. So in the test output, you will get again test ng reports also. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So there you can run from there.
Egg కావాలా? వద్దా?
Good, right?
Yes,
Good.
sir.
So now you refresh the entire. You'll get one more report here. Latest timestamp. So where is the latest one now? 7/19/42. This one is right. This is our
Yes.
latest.
Copy.
So done. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. That's all for the day. Any questions? Please finish and practice. Maybe the home page that featured elements are there or not. 4 must be there. Asset that also. Okay. So this one 4 must be there here, right? This home page. In the home page, the featured these things. Verify these images. Verify this text also. Get this text. Try it out. Okay. Try it out. Yeah. This price also try to get that. Try all these concepts. You will get a much confidence when you're building the test cases. Okay. Thank you. Next week we'll close this.
Okay. So, do we have a class tomorrow morning?
So tomorrow, no, we don't have.
Okay.
Mm.
What about day after?
Day after, we'll think on day after. Maybe I'll message you tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Hmm?
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, guys. See you maybe on
Monday.